Want to Dockerize our Flask app? Let's go. So first we create one folder that's name a file that's named app.py, and we import the Flask and initialize the app, create one route, and run this with a host of 0.0.0.0 and port is 5000. Now second things we need to set to requirement.txt. So just add Flask in the requirement.txt. Now we have to create Dockerfile and make sure the name should be same. Now with a Docker file, first we make a base image, then we create a working directory, and then we copy the current file into our work directory, that is /app, and then we run our pip install -minus requirement.txt that install all the requirement within our container, and we expose the 5000 port and run the app with the help of cmd python app.py. Now just go to the terminal and run docker build -t flask app, and our Docker file is in a current folder, and press enter. It will build your Docker file. Now our build is complete. Now we need to run our image. So for that, run docker run with a port of 5000, machine port with container also 5000 port, and our docker image name is flask docker, and here our container is running. Just copy and paste, and here you can see our docker container is running.